After Saudi Arabia oil attacks, US to deploy thousands of extra troops to enhance the defense of Saudi Arabia. Pressure is building in the US to stop Turkey continuing its offensive against Kurdish-held areas in Syria. US Homeland Security Chief Kevin McAleenan steps down. Worst typhoon in 6 decades. Hagibis approaches Japan. Heavy rain winds lash Tokyo. Resolution celebrating Mahatma Gandhi's legacy introduced in US House. UK to issue commemorative coin with Mahatma's image. Pakistan must end support to terror groups, says US Senator. Prime Minister Narendra Modi on Saturday said the second India-China informal summit would usher in a new era in bilateral ties. PM Modi goes blogging in Tamil Nadu to spread message of cleanliness. Mukesh Ambani is richest Indian. Gautam Adani jumps 8 spots to number 2 on Forbes' richest people in India's list. Former Delhi Chief Minister Sheila Dikshit's son, Sandeep Dikshit, has held Congress Delhi in charge, PC Chakko, responsible for his mother's death. Arvind Kejriwal addresses C40 summit from Delhi. Lords Greta's fight against climate change. Alka Lamba becomes 5th rebel Aam Aadmi Party MLA to be disqualified. Delhi BJP lodges complaint against CM Arvind Kejriwal and Aam Aadmi Party MLA Saurabh Bharadwaj over NRC issue. Haryana Congress President Kumari Selja and former Chief Minister Bhupinder Singh Hooda call upon workers to make collective efforts to oust BJP from power in Haryana. Releases manifesto with special focus on women. Congress says will raise pro-people issues in Maharashtra and Haryana polls. Scores of youth participate in Jammu and Kashmir's army recruitment drive in Srinagar. Can't just damn GST. It is the law. Finance Minister Nirmala retorts at finance sector meet. The Langar House police in Hyderabad arrested 6 people for pelting stones at a TSRTC bus and damaged the windscreen while it is on its way to Pargi. The Anti-Corruption Bureau arrested a drug inspector Lakshmi on Saturday who was caught red-handed while taking a bribe at her office in Secunderabad. 3 people including 2 girls were brutally murdered in Kamareddy. TRS never promised to merge RTC with government, says Transport Minister Ajay Kumar. Reservoirs common to Telangana and Andhra Pradesh brimming. YSRCP reversed good works of TDP, says Chandrababu Naidu. After being duped by a fellow villager, elderly couple climbs water tank, threatens to commit suicide. Hyderabad metro service disrupted for an hour due to technical snag. Telangana man held for sexually assaulting cow, alleged to have been doing it for a year. Festival cheer fails to push demand for gold as prices remain high. Gold prices have risen more than 21% so far in 2019. Actor Robert Foster, who was nominated for an Oscar for his role in Jackie Brown, has died in Los Angeles, aged 78. In Women's World Boxing Championship, Manju Rani through to final, bronze for Jamuna Boro and Mary Kom. Eliud Kipchoge of Kenya has become the first athlete to run a marathon in under 2 hours, beating the mark by 20 seconds. Mo Farah insists, I have not done anything wrong after ex-coach Alberto Salazar ban. Novak Djokovic and Roger Federer have been knocked out of the Shanghai Masters in the quarterfinals. South Africa were bowled out on 275 on day 3 of India vs South Africa second test.